You will never make consistent profits trading, period. This is a fantasy that gurus sold you. This video shows you why real consistency isn't about profits, it's about your actions. Because chasing green every single day is the exact reason why you quit before your strategy pays off. I've traded over 8 years and studied thousands of trades. Today you're gonna learn why losing months are inevitable and one change that will finally let your edge pay out. And no, this is not another bit disciplined video. So basically, here's what you believe. You think being consistent means making money every single day. Green day, green day, green day, forever. A perfect line going up. And why wouldn't you? You open Instagram and every guru is flashing a winning week. It looks like it's always sunny in their world. It never rains. So let me tell you something. That's not real. That's a highlight reel. You think about the gym for a second. Imagine you expected your body to look better in the mirror every single morning. Better today than yesterday. No exceptions. You would quit in a week, right? Because that's not how the bodies work. And that's not how trading works either. Here's the harsh reality they never show you. Drawdowns are guaranteed. You will have losing months. Not might. You will. There will be stretches where you sit there doubting if you can even trade at all. You have zero control over when the market hands you your winners. Zero. Some weeks it pays you, some weeks it doesn't. That timing is not up to you. Back to the gym. Every single person who gets into the shape had a bad days. Days that they felt weak, weeks where the scale didn't move. That's not the program failing, that's just a part of it. The plateau is guaranteed. Everybody gets it. In trading, we call that plateau is a drawdown. And this is where most traders walk straight into a trap that destroys them. And by the way, if you want the exact mechanical system we run, the one with an edge so you can actually trust through these drawdowns, that's what we built inside our mentorship program. The link in the description below. But stay with me, because the next part is the trap that kills most accounts. You adopt the edge that was working. Here's the trap. You have one perfectly normal losing week. Totally normal. And your brain goes, my strategy is broken. I've lost my touch. This doesn't work anymore. So you throw away the edge that was working just because the markets entered a phase that isn't ideal for your system right now. It's a gym again, like 6 weeks into the program, no visible results, and you think, this program is trash. It's not built for me. But the program was not broken. You were just in the boring middle part that everybody has to walk through. The results were coming. This is where the real damage begins. You quit right before the payday. So what do? You abandon a winning strategy in the middle of a completely normal drawdown, right before the market flips back into the hot phase for your system. Then you start over with something new, from zero again, and you never stick around long enough to let your edge actually pay you. This is a program hopper. Starting over and over and over again. The guy who quits the gym program in week 7 right before the results show up and starts a brand new program on Monday. Then quits that one too. 10 years of starting over and his body never changes. Not because the program don't work, but because he never finishes the one. Let me show you exactly what this looks like on a real account. As you can see over here, this is a real equity curve. See this climb? Good. Now this dip over here, that's a drawdown. Right here at the bottom, this is where almost everyone quits. And watch what happens right after they quit. It recovers. New highs. That was the payday. They walked out one day early. But here's what consistency actually means. Real quick, we are on a mission to help 1 million people to actually trade profitably without guessing and making consistent profits. So if this is giving you value right now, hit a like and follow so we can get there as fast as possible. It genuinely helps us. Cool, let's keep going because now we redefined the whole thing. So here's a shift. And it changes everything. Consistency was never about the money. It was about your actions. True consistency means you show up every single day and you run your plan exactly the same way. No matter what happened yesterday, win or lose, you do the same thing again and again. That's a gym truth again. A consistent person is not the one who looks perfect every day. It's the one who shows up and does the work every day, whatever they feel great or terrible. The showing up is a consistency, not the mirror. Redefine the word like that, and everything about how you trade starts to change. So you have to control what you can control. You cannot control whether a single trade wins or loses. You just can't. That's a market's job, not yours. But you have complete control over one thing: your discipline to follow your trading plan 100% in your hands. At the gym, you can't control what the scale says or on any given morning, But you fully control whether you show up and do your reps. So you focus on the reps. The reps are yours. This one shift moves your whole focus from luck to execution. And it changes how every single trading day feels. Now, here's one thing that feels smart, but it's actually one of the dumbest things that you can do. And almost everybody does it. You lose 3 days in a row. So, what do? You cut your risk in half. You shrink your lot size to protect your capital, quote unquote. Feels responsible, right? Feels like the safe, smart move. And no, this is the worst thing that you can do. Let me show you why this simple math does not work. Every strategy moves in 2 phases: a drawdown phase, then a recovery phase. They always come as a pair. So, watch what happens when you cut your risk right after those losses. You already took your losing trades at a full size during a drawdown, full pain, 100% pain. But when you've shrunk down your half size, your risk to the half size, right as the recovery phase kicks in. Half reward. So you took 100% of the pain and you're only collecting 50% of the reward. Do that and you mathematically will never climb back. Never. It's a gym one more time. You grind through the brutal first months, all the soreness, full effort. Then right when your body is about to grow, you cut your training in half. You're paid the full price on the pain and walked away with half the gains. So here's the rule, and it's not optional. You cannot change your risk based on fear. A mechanical system needs the same fixed risk on every single trade, win or lose, hot streak or cold, so the math can actually play out. And that word, play out, is the whole key to this last part. And here's what it all does to the doubt. It kills it. You stop judging yourself by your daily profit and loss. Completely stop. Your only question at the end of the day becomes, did I show up and follow my plan perfectly today? Yes or no? That's the entire scoreboard now. Not the money, the execution. It's a difference between weighting yourself every morning and stressing over every ounce versus just asking yourself, did I train and eat right today? Because that's all it matters. One will drive you insane. The other, you can actually win every single day, no matter what the market did. And this one change unlocks something almost no trader ever gets to feel. This is how your edge proves itself. Here's a payoff of all of it. Consistent actions is the only thing that gives you edge, the time and the trade sample it needs to actually play out. Remember, your edge is a statistical thing. It only shows up across a big enough number of trades. If you quit at trade 20, the math never gets to work. You have to give it like 200 trades at least. The body only transforms after months of consistent workout. Not 1, not 10, months. The gains are real, but they are backloaded. They only show up for the person who keeps going forward. Your edge is exactly the same. It pays the trader who stayed. So this is a real path, not chasing green days, just repeating the process the same way over and over again, regardless of what any single trade does. So stop chasing the mirror, do the reps. So let's bring it all home. You will never make money every day. Nobody does. And chasing that is exactly what makes you quit. Losing weeks are guaranteed, like plateaus at the gym. Real consistency isn't about your profits. It's about showing up and running your daily plan the same way every single day at the same fixed risk. You control the reps, not the results. And only that consistency gives your edge enough trade to finally pay you. Stop chasing the mirror, start doing the reps. Now, if you think, okay, but I need a plan that actually has an edge worth repeating, I've got you. I put together a full free training on that exact mechanical edge we used to take 1 to 2 high quality trades a day, no guessing, no complex analysis, no staying glued to the charts. And I've made it the very next video for you. It's right there on the screen. Just click and keep watching. I will see you there.